Have a document with your phrase prepared. You can use our sample card to test stamps before continuing. Assemble the punch by adding the components together like this. Simply punch the first 4 letters for each number. Take a firm grip and push down. Continue until you have recorded all the data. Take your time and be careful not to skip a number by mistake as you are punching. Use the magnifier if it helps. The large holes in the steel plate allow for combining 2 plates back to back or fixing them to a location. The other punch holes in the steel plate allow for your own data. For example, if you have a 24-word phrase, then you can mark 1 as sheet 1 with 1 dot, and the sheet 2 you can mark with 2 dots, or use your own memorable system.